Yo, it shot fire on the motor.
Beat again. Alright, so I got a couple people coming to look at this beast today, so I'm going to clean it out, wash it up, put primer and sand down the part where we put Bondo, and yeah, I'm going to make it look presentable. So I'm just going to time lapse this whole ordeal because it's not too fun, nothing out of the usual, typical stuff. And you guys will get a time lapse. It'll probably be like 3 hours for me, not 3, but like 2 hours for me, an hour and a half, 2 hours for me, and probably like 2 minutes for you with some dope music in the background. The song I'm going to use is actually one of my boys' songs, and it's actually going to be used in a feature video. So pay a little bit of attention to it now, you know, while I'm doing this, but pay real attention to it when I drop the video. So stay tuned.
Shout out Stripes for this. Met some shorties at the club, but can't remember they face. Cause before we hit the crib, they both depart with their panties. The start is like the end, like the career left for Mace. Feeling close to Man Savage, but for Macho and Randy, I've been flexed by the guys, had me creased by the lords. She enjoyed the bump, so only blood a drip from her nose. Are you copping some lean? Are you popping some Zans? Trying to keep it discreet, in the next room from her pants, shorty trying to bust it. She just a teen with some angst, like to puff on some plants, man. You fucking with my cheetahs, got fangs for the cougars, smoking blunts by the zipper, making storms like a trooper. Han Lobos and the Falcons, Lord. I was born to be a force, so my soul hitting God. Nasty motherfucker slide a tongue down her thigh. Never had a Boston nigga with some cream in a pie. Like sweet Georgia peaches, she go the distance. Roll up the curtain, she swallow Lipton. Stay at my door like Jehovah Witness. She grip the stick, then she blow the pistons. Dead ass, shorty got a fatty, but I don't know where her head at. Shorty got designer on, but don't know where her bread at. So call me when you wanna get dead. We can lay in the coffin in the shade, roll up till we fade out.
Niggas wanna know what the process is.
Yeah, I don't know if anybody else eats these kind of things, but to me, these are the two best flavors, and they actually taste like real Jacky soba, even though it's really cheap and easy to make. So that's exactly what I'm about to buy. I'm trying to not spend so much money on Wendy's because I go there sometimes even twice a day. So yeah, so decrease my spending by about 10%. I mean, not by 10%. This will be 10% of my spending. Got a package to ship out and then doing a return. Not my item, somebody in the house, but yeah. Gonna do that, and then got a couple things to paint, and then I'm gonna probably buff the hood. So yeah. It's annoying. I like when they park on the other side so I can actually see my thing. Just dropped off the package. The wheels are still looking nice and shiny. Low oil, so I'm about to have to top this thing up before I drive off because I'm pretty sure by the time I get back this thing will blow. So I'm thinking what I may have to do is rebuild the engine, like do all the seals and everything first. But before I do all that, I'm gonna like get a catch can with the breather on it and see how much better the oil consumption gets, and then I'm going to ultimately decide if I'm going to rebuild it. And if I rebuild it, I'm going to cam it, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, about to do the red on the RSX tail lights. So I'm gonna try to make it so I don't get any overspray. I'm gonna do it super light coats because I'm outside. So yeah.
That's why he said he was like, it was 60, 80, no matter, bro. I was like,
No, he said 20.
Time to start this up. Pass that.
yeah. The one Subgrim's on it. That one. Sold it. That one's on here. That's what it sold. Remember, that one had the ball joints and everything still connected. I didn't have to disconnect all that. So, you sold it with the damn knuckle on it? No. Oh, knuckles right there. Another one. Oh. The knuckles are each. R6 type it. This car? He said, yeah. Oh. You still gotta change the ball joints regardless. If you use them.
About to start this up. Got the battery ready, you can't really see it, but yeah.
My fur down.
Power. Grown. When you just miss it, the alarm just come on.
Where's the Oh, you already connected the camera? Oh, yours too? I wasn't playing with throttle. Yeah.
Yo.
Just take it.
Yeah, it shot fire at the morning.
Please again. That's loud.
Know what he's done? Nah, but you just sort of ragging the back of the motor right next to on top of the exhaust. You take it off. Thank you, that's what you want. Fine.
Looks good.
Sounds healthy.
Alright, so what I'm going to try to do is take out the navigation screen because I'm going to get rid of it, because what I plan to do is turn this into a one big like tablet thing. I'll probably just like, if I remember, I'll just put a picture of what I plan to do here. But yeah, I hope this is not a fail. Like, I kind of don't want to do this, and I kind of want to have somebody who knows how to do this, but I'm going to at least make a little bit of an attempt first. And if I fail, then I'm going to put it back and stop while I'm ahead. So yeah, popped off this part, and then I lay it to the side. And then I'm pretty sure I unhooked that, but I'm just gonna like unscrew these little thingies. Well, I don't have to do the bottom one. I just unscrew these two and whatever else is back there and see if it comes off, I guess. I didn't update you guys on where I got, but I put this thing back temporarily because I'm not going to take it off right now. I'm going to do it when I have help, because it's kind of hard to do with one person. So yeah, and it's really hot. Like, it's really hot in here, so it's not a good idea to do right now. So I'm just going to take this L, wait, and take it out another time when I can have some shade and another set of hands. Here's a box, and let's see what's inside. Well, I guess I should not have thrown the scissors, but... Oh, give me a second. Boom. I got the 2 pieces that go like on the bumper from the G35, so I'll show you like where it goes. Give me a second. The piece that goes right here, you're gonna have to like trim the inside part and whatnot, but you guys get the point. Alright, so hopefully you can see it on camera, but I believe these 2 things are different colors. Yeah, they are. You can see it on camera as well. But yeah, they're different colors. So luckily I have extra paint, and I'm going to clean these off, wet sand them, and paint them. And as you can see, they have like some dirt, and I'm pretty sure the guy did like some burnouts and stuff, so there's like rubber, as you guys can see. I'm going to clean that off and paint them. So not really going to record much of it. I'm just going to do it because nobody wants to watch anybody wet sand and paint. So yeah, so I painted them and added 1 layer of clear coat so far. I'm going to do 3 more, maybe. Yeah, about 3, and then that's it. I'm not going to do too much. I'm not going to go too crazy with this, and then that'll be all for these parts. They look pretty good. I didn't do too much like body work or anything to these because I'm just going to slap them on, and I'm going to get ready and head to Vibes by the Beach. I'll probably throw a couple clips of that for this video, and that's it. I believe I accidentally deleted the clip yesterday, but I temporarily installed them. I have to get some 3M tape to like close up that gap, but they're on there. They look wonderful, and this is literally like one of the best things you can do to a rear bumper besides put a diffuser on it and put a chassis mounted spoiler through it. But yeah, I really love this style of mud flap. It gives the bumper like a nice look to it. This is literally like one of the best things you can do. I really love these things, and yeah, it looks great. Love it. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and drink water, mother.